High on wheels, find another rare bird. This is a 10th generation Ford Thunderbird SC. Look at this pearl. Lowered suspension. Look at the clear. Look at the shine on the paint. It is a one owner vehicle, BC registered, fellas. Absolutely no rust. Never been repaint. Original paint. I can't stress enough about it. Look at the wheelbase. Look at the door panel. She is all there. She is as clean as she was coming off the showroom. But now it has 25 years and it is a classic car. Sorry, it has now 29 years and it still is a classic car. Aftermarket 20-inch rims and tires. It's got disc brake in the front, 10.8 inch. It's got disc brake in the back, 10.2 inch. Braking was not the biggest performance out of the vehicle, but look at the inside, okay? Completely loaded. Bear in mind, in 1993, the price tag to purchase this bird brand new was over $22,000. That also comes with the original bill of sale. And full leather. Look at the carpet. Look how clean everything is. Look at the seat. It's got very power chair. Okay, you got the airbags at the lower lumbar. You got the side lateral that inflates. This seat, excuse me, is crazy comfortable for the year, guys. I'm 6'2", fully stretched, nothing but space. You did have the cruise control. This is the manual 5-speed. You did have the firm control ride and the auto. Nice space to put some stuff. You got the EC dual control for the front and the back. You got the cassette. Let's fire up this bad boy. $161,000 original kilometer. Tons of maintenance done on this thing. Look at this. Antenna controller. Up and down. Works flawlessly. Clean windshield. Glove box. It's where you can open up the trunk and the gas strap. Electric window, power door. Nice little sporty steering wheel with the cruise control digital. There's the beauty. As mentioned earlier, lots and lots of maintenance. 3.8 V6 supercharged. .210 horsepower, 327 feet of torque, 3,725 pound vehicle, I believe, a little shy of 4,000. Top speed of 228 kilometer, and it still was managing a quarter mile at 15-second flat. Look at the frame rail, like not a speck of rust on it. It was a rear independent suspension. Kind of was competing with the Fox Buddy Mustang. After 1994, you could have yourself the 4.6 liter. You could also have the 5 liter in some of them. Come with the original spare tire, all clean cut. You get the safety device to open up the trunk from the inside of the trunk. And you can also get access to bring down the back seat to give you more storage space if needed. Easy to operate. The original Thunderbird booklet, and no joke, it is a pile of receipt and the original bill of sale from the first owner of this fantastic, as I never seen anything like it before, and it was actually the first time I had the opportunity to see a 5-speed manual out of the 10th generation of Thunderbird. High on wheels for the love of cars.